winter, Gunyel and Yomo winter, and on and you. Stanley Januin, Peter and Andreas McYunsa, behind your Logan Tomaster, the green young Mogu. You are feeling me, let's hear Cassuarum Christi, Topple Valakire, Yenu in your turn. Dus gelantan is boera medianta Verdes mesken chincharu a hasa father Harlish dacha java gemeis kasu Jeffrey Shadusa, Kentir Nagogume, Dinchman Definelik, Gertogu Missionary, Val Brafahaya, a mana passion the trial. London Sakuti, Stockyer, Lunya, Jean, Shigalu, Mara, Saishidam Sava, Hartman and Farmokira, Narawakane, the Guinea, Kartoka, Tismokile, Amana, the heel. Bring this version in, Chins, Landman, or Kinja. Gobelin Arashka hair and soul, she met love. That you win some round a king, show this saga people. A high long Saliga, a spark for the love.
Thank you very much. We're going to continue with the song that used to be a work song, and women, while they were weaving cloth or mending fishermen's nets, they used to make up little songs, and in this song there's 3 verses, one about the blacksmith, the farmer and the fisherman. The chorus of the song is Bucky Misha is Bucky Tissa is Bucky Midla Hela. And that's a chorus for all of you to sing tonight. It does mean in English, I will move if you will move, and we'll all move together. The title is An Cran Ul Apfelbaum in German.
Yeah, I get him to learn a new word every day. Annoy.